This is mung beans, and gotta boil it till it's soft, and you can buy it at any Asian store.
All right, so we're gonna get these boiling. She soaked them overnight first, and then she's boiling them now. She's trying to get this ready before she goes to work. All right, we'll get back with you when this is done. So we got 10 garlic cloves. My wife's gonna get those all ready. Then she's gonna be adding some raw shrimp to it, so she's gonna throw it. I don't know how many she's using, but she's gonna throw some out because she's putting that in there too. Okay, now we're gonna get ready to saute the pork and garlic and ginger. We're using extra virgin olive oil. Gotta let that heat up. We're sticking the ginger in first. Sticking the garlic in. And we're at the pork. This is pork shoulder. Okay, now she's getting some marungai from our marungai tree in the backyard. She's gonna add that into the mung beans.
You're adding the shrimp. And then I'm gonna put the leaves that I got harvested from the backyard. Cover it until the leaves is cooked, maybe 2 minutes. Go, and it's cooked. There you go, my Mongo or my mung beans. There.
And big shout out to all our subscribers. And if you're new to this channel, we'd love you to hit that subscribe button and the like notification. The likes really help us a lot because it helps the algorithm determine where this video is going to go. But definitely hit that subscribe so you'll be aware of our next and upcoming videos. And definitely hit that like button. It lets us know that, and lets the algorithm know that these videos are liked. And definitely leave a comment. If you like our content, leave a comment. And we do read all of our comments and we'll reply to all of our comments. At least the ones that we can reply to. There are haters out there, so hey, I don't reply to those. But hey, until the next video, this is Cooking with the Robies. We're out.